Paying for college without loans involves a mix of strategies and resources, scholarships and grants. Research and apply for scholarships and grants offered by colleges, private organizations, community groups, and businesses. These funds don't require repayment. Work-study programs. Explore federal or institutional work-study programs that offer part-time jobs to students, providing income to cover educational expenses. Part-time work. Consider part-time jobs during the academic year or full-time employment during breaks to earn money for tuition and living expenses. Savings and budgeting. Save money beforehand by setting aside funds from part-time jobs, internships, or gifts. Develop a budget to manage expenses efficiently. Attend community college. Start with 2 years at a community college, which is often more affordable, then transfer credits to a 4-year institution to complete your degree. Crowdfunding and fundraising. Explore crowdfunding platforms or organize fundraising events to gather financial support from family, friends, and the community. Merit-based aid. Focus on achieving high academic performance to qualify for merit-based aids from colleges or private organizations. Negotiate tuition. Inquire about tuition discounts, waivers, or payment plans directly with the college's financial aid office.